What's up, tribe? I'm super excited today because I'm about to share with you guys the best affordable foil shaver that's bump free. Kick it! What's up, family? I hope y'all having a happy hair day. As a barber, man, I get excited to show y'all new products that are affordable, that are good for your budget, but they work like you just spent the bank on it. I want to introduce this product to y'all. It's the best affordable foil shaver that cuts like butter. Y'all like, man, just get to the product. Here you go right here. This is the Andis Pro Foil Shaver. And the reason why they called it the Pro Foil Shaver, because it cuts like a pro. Let me tell you a little bit about this product. It's lightweight, it cuts to precision, it has gold titanium foils. Let me give you a close-up. Now this is good because what it does with the gold titanium foils, this is what prevents the razor bumps. So you can get a nice clean shave with no bump. I know that's a problem with a lot of us brothers. You get a close shave and next thing you know, 2 or 3 days later, pop, 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 you got bumps. You ain't getting bumps with this dog. You ain't gotta worry about that. Let me give you a quick demonstration. If you need to clean the blade, I'll show you how to take it off. It's real easy. So you see this button right here. You press this button and then you just take the foil shaver off. In order to clean it, you can get like a light brush and you just clean it and get all the hairs off. Or you can do like that, or you get one of these, a blower, and you clean it like that. Then you take your top part, snap it back on, and you're ready to go. I'll leave a link to the foil shaver and the blower in the description, but that's how you clean it. Now let me show y'all how this thing works. Remember, with the foil shaver, if you already have hair stubbles in your face, you don't use it to cut the hair stubbles off. It's simply used as a cleanup when you shave it off. Now you see that I have these stubbles right here. Now I'll show you what happens if I use the foil shaver with the stubbles. Notice that it doesn't clean the stubbles completely off. Now it took it down a little bit, but like I said, the foil shaver isn't used, like if you have a bald head and you have 3 or 4 days of growth and you want to rebald your head, you do not do it with the foil shaver. You take your outliner trimmers first, then you go over it and you clean it up with the foil shaver. And I'm gonna show you just how to use it. I'm gonna use my BaByLiss FX Trimmers today, and I'm going to line up my beard and I'm gonna clean it off with the foil shaver. Now, as you can see, I cleaned up the top part of my beard. You can see little small stubbles right on my face. But now, once I use my foil shavers, those stubbles are going to be gone. Woo-wee! It even feels smoother afterwards. Look at that. No stubbles. Now let me show y'all under the neck. I can't wait for y'all to see this. Look before. You see some stubbles. Now let me use my trimmer. Now you see I got the bottom of my neck. It's clean. You can see under the neck. It's clean, but if you look closely, you can see a little bit of stubbles. Now let me use the foil shaver. Now take a look at it afterwards. No stubbles. It feels good. It feels like the skin on my arm. Now let me show you over my lip. That's over the lip. See some small stubbles? Now let's clean it up with the foil shaver. No stubbles at all. It never even looked like hair existed over my mustache. Let me give you a close-up. Oh yeah, fellas, after you shave, don't forget to clean your face. I like to use SeaBreeze. That's the best astringent that I've used, and it always works for me. To sum everything up, I highly recommend this Andis Pro Foil Shaver. It's affordable, it's bump-free, it shaves closely, and this will fit good in your bathroom. You can use it for your bald head or your facial hair. I'll leave a link in the description. Glad to help y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!